Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sharon Ravenberg and today I'm back with another video. I will be doing a voiceover, so if this video interests you, keep on watching and let's get right into it. But before we go further, have you already subscribed to my channel? Heb je al geabonneerd? Ik denk het niet. Maar goed, indien je het nog niet gedaan hebt, if you haven't already, you can smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. Now, let's get started. So first off, I'm gonna touch up my brows a little bit because girl, it's been a minute since I have touched up my brows or did something to them. So I'm just cleaning them up a little bit with that kind of brow razor. So I'm just cleaning them up and then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. And now I'm filling in just where it needs to be filled in. So not the whole brow, but just some spots where needs some touch-ups, you know? And then I'm gonna clean them up with my concealer and bam. Bam! The brows are done, okay? Nothing too special, nothing too fancy. Just a little something. See? There it goes. And to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my P. Louise base in Rumor 2. And yeah, baby, today I'm gonna use the Warrior 2 palette by Juvias Place. It's brand new. I bought this palette when it was on sale, but I never used it, so today I thought, why not? I used 2 shades. I mixed them, and that I'm using on my outer V, and the remainder on the brush I am going to blend out on my crease. And after that, I'm going in the brown shade right there and I'm gonna blend out the crease like a kind of transition so it can blend seamlessly. So that's what I'm doing, and after that, no dizzle dazzle, I'm gonna go back and forth until I have my desired look, and after that I'm going to cut the crease. So now that I have cut my crease, I went in and blended out my outer V again so it doesn't leave a harsh line. So now for my lid shades, I went into the orange shade. There was a pink shade also beside the orange shade and the brown shade. So I did a little something on the lids and just packing, blending until it was what I was looking for. Then I did a little graphic liner moment. It wasn't the best, but hey, I'm filming after a long time. I'm doing my makeup after a long time, so we'll get better, okay? But yeah, that is it for the eyes. I will let you enjoy the rest and then we're going to the face, okay? So now to prime my face, I'm using my e.l.f. putty primer. It's the OG one, and I will use that on my cheeks, everywhere where I have large pores, actually. And that's my cheeks, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. Then I'm just dusting it off with a little bit of powder. And for my foundation, I'm using my Juvias Place foundation in the shade Burkina. And it may look as if it's not my shade, but it is, sis. It is, okay? It is. So, yeah. I'm blending it out, and after that, do my concealer. My concealer is also from Juvias Place, and I will let it sit for a moment because this is a very creamy, hydrating concealer. So it's better if you let it sit for a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going into my contour, and for contour, I'm also using a Juvias Place product. That's not the matchstick. It's the shade stick. Yeah, the shade stick to contour. And then I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Yeah, that's it. To set my under eye, I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder, the translucent one, but in the shade Honey. And pressing that into the skin, and after that I go ahead and bake. So I just press the powder into the skin first, and after that I bake, because I don't know, but I can't live without baking. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. My forehead, my chin, everywhere where it needs to be. You know, I'm just chiseling out my cheeks a little bit. And yeah. To smoke out my under eyes, I use the black shade in the palette, and I just tight-line kind of my waterline. And after that, I went in with the two shades I used for my crease and outer V to blend out the black. Now I'm just dusting off the powder off my face, and we're going to blush, bronze, and all that good stuff. To bronze, I'm using the new Juvias Place bronzer duo in the shade, I guess, dark. So I just swirl in both the shades and then bronze my skin with it. And for blush, I am also using a Juvias Place blush duo. It's one of their new collections, and I'm going in both the shades and just blush my face. And at this point, I need to call this video a full face of Juvias Place. But anyway, Juvias Place is one of my favorite brands out there, and on top of that, it's black owned. So yeah, I love how my face is looking. Again, Juvias Place, their highlighter, this is in like the I think royalties. So yeah, I'm just highlighting the highest points of my face, and we're coming to the end of this video, guys. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. That was enough of me blabbering and talking. Just enjoy. I will try to film a lot more and let you enjoy my videos. But for now, I will say bye bye, swai until the next time. So guys, this was the look I came up with. What do you think? I did a little graphic liner moment, so what do you think? I did my makeup after a long time. I also did some beauty marks, as you can see. Yes, so thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's free 99, okay? So just subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video.